This question asks us to find the acceleration of the trolley. First of all, we need to understand that this is the initial section. Okay, this is the starting. Okay, this is the starting of this section. This is the ending of this section. So we need to understand that given the frequency is 50 Hertz, that means the time between two lines from here to here is 1 over 50, right? That is 0.02 second. Okay, now there's how many segments here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 segments. 5 segments times 0.02 is 0.1 second, right? So the time taken is 0.1 second. So from here, we can instantly determine the initial velocity, which is 0.12 meters divided by 0.1 second. So it's 1.2 meter per second. That is the initial velocity. So what about this section here? Okay, let me change the color. Maybe I use this color. This is the initial portion. This is the final portion. So the total time, again, there are how many portions here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, there's 5 portions here. So the total time will be equals to 0.1 second. So using the same method, we find that the final velocity is 0.24 divided by 0.1. So it's 2.4 meter per second, right? Now, how do we find acceleration? Acceleration is the v minus u over t, right? Well, you know the v is 2.4, u is 1.2. What about the t? T is the time taken from here, the last okay, this is the first segment, right? So okay, this is the initial part of the first segment. This is the final part of the first segment. This is the initial part of the second segment. This is the final part of the second segment. So we need to find the time. We need to check from the final segment to the final segment. Okay, so we need to find this time. This is the time in which the trolley moves. So from here to how many segments are there? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so this will be 9 times 0.02 second. So let's check what is the number here. So the answer is 6.67 meter per second square. We run it up to 7 meter per second square. The answer is D.